Hai, apa kabar semua? Saya Simon Sun, CEO dari Huawei Malaysia. Huawei arrived in Malaysia at the turn of the new millennium. 22 innovation-filled years later, we are still here, and we plan to be here for many years to come. We believe that a major part of our success comes from our philosophy of openness, collaboration, and partnership. And today, we take this opportunity to showcase some of our valuable partnership cultivated and strengthened throughout our 22 years in this beautiful country. As a major player in the field of ICT, Huawei, along with our partners, are fully committed to building the bridges that will transform Malaysia into a digitally driven, highly income nation. We will continue to serve Malaysia to the best of our abilities to create a better future. Together, we will support every step Malaysia takes to realize its ambitions of becoming the new Asian digital tiger. Together, we will build a diversified and thriving ICT ecosystem. Together, we will do more. We are, and always will be, better together. Terima kasih.